Welcome back everyone to my channel Taj Edge online classes. In this video, I will be calculation of mean, median and mode for continuous series. For continuous series, we need to calculate mean, median and mode. For 15 marks in your examination, they will ask you any two of this. They may not ask you all the three. They just ask you any two. In the previous year question paper, they have asked how to calculate mean and mode. I am doing mode median also for the same question, so that we can have all the three knowledge, so that any kind of question they ask, we should be ready to solve that. Okay, so let's solve it. The question which they have given, question number 9, previous year question paper 2024, Bangalore City University. Okay, the question was wages in rupees 1000, number of workers. They have given wages 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. This is the classes they have given, and they have given frequencies also. F, that is number of workers, 82, 112, 150, 95 and 48. We have to observe here if they have said more than or something. They have not said more than, so it is direct and easy method, right? So as they have not said anything, they have not twisted the question, they have directly given the question. Solution. Solution first, what we need to do is we need to write the classes. Okay, first what we will do, we will calculate mean, that is x bar. Okay, the formula is x bar is equal to summation of fx divided by summation of f, or x bar is equal to summation of fx divided by summation of x bar is equal to summation of fx divided by n. So here classes they have given, and also they have given the frequencies. What classes they have given? 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. These are the classes, and they have given the frequency 82, 112, 150, 95 and 48. This is the frequency. Frequency is summation of f or n, right? So what is the total of that is 82 in calculator. 82 plus 112 plus 112 plus 150 plus 95 plus 48. 82, 112, 150, 95 plus 48 is 487 is the total. Okay, we have got f, but there is no x here. We need x, right? For that we need to calculate x. How we need to calculate x? X is the mid value between these classes. That is class mark. We say class mark. If you are learning from some other videos, they use the word class mark. So class mark, how do we get this class mark? 0 plus 20, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. 10 is the class mark, the mid value between this. Okay, 20 plus 40, 60. 60 divided by 2, that is 30. Okay, 40 plus 60 is 100. 100 divided by 2 is 50. 60 plus 80, 60 plus 80 is 140. 140 divided by 2 is 70. 80 plus 100 is 180. Divided by 2 is 90. Now we have got x also. Now what do we need to do? Fx, that is f into x. 82 into 10. We need to multiply this to 82 into 10, 820 correct? 112 into 30, that is 3360. Next 150 into 50, that is 7500. Okay, 95 into 70, that is 6650. Okay, 48 into 90, that is 4320. Now we have got summation of fx, that is total 820 plus 3360 plus 7500 plus 6650 plus 4320. We get 22650. Now, as per the formula, mean is equal to 22,650 divided by 487. Right? Summation of fx is 22,650. Summation means total. Summation of f or n is equal to 487. So 22,650 divided by 487 is equal to, mean is equal to 46.51. We get it. Now what we can do, because they have said it is wages of workers, right? We can write, therefore average wages of workers is 46.51. 46.51. Okay, so that is how we have to write. Okay, done. Next, for the same question, we need to calculate median. Okay, for the same question, we will be calculating median. Also, we will be calculating mode. Let's solve median now. Median for the same question. As per the formula, median formula, what is the median formula? Median means ME is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF F into H. Correct? This is the formula. Also, we need to find N by 2, you know, right? Okay, done. So now, first question is wages, right? First, we will put the wages into classes. Okay, next we will put it into frequency. Frequency they have given directly. For calculating median, what do we need? We don't need X. We need what? CF. We don't need X. We need X only for calculating mean. For calculating median, we don't need X. We need CF. So classes are 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. This is the classes. That is wages, which they have given in the question. Okay. F, that is number of workers. Correct. 82, 112, 150, 95, 48. The total of this N is equal to how much? Already we had got in the previous, this one 487. 487 is the N or summation of F, right? Summation of F is equal to 487 or N is equal to 487. Okay, done. Next, cumulative frequency we need to calculate. How do we calculate? This 82 is same as it is. This 82 plus 112 is 82 plus 112 is 194. Now this 194 plus 150, 194 plus 150, that is 344. 344 plus 95, that is 439. Next 439 plus 48, that is 487. See, this 487 is equal now. Hence, we don't need to add it anymore. Done. So we have got the cumulative frequency. Also, what do we need to do next? Next, we need to find N by 2. What is N? 487 is N divided by 2. So 487 divided by 2 is 243.5. We got 243.5th item. Now more than this, more than 243.5, which is the value in the CF, that is 344. 344, that is CF 344 is higher than or greater than 243.5, correct? Yes. So we are taking these values. So what do we need to do? We need to take a pencil, round up that. From here, we will get the answer, and also the previous value of CF is needed, L shape. Okay. So now, as per the formula says median is equal to L plus what? N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, correct? So what is L here? L is this one, lower limit of that modal class. Lower limit of modal class is 40. Left side value is lower limit. Right side value, this 60 is upper limit. So lower value is 40. Next, n by 2. How much we have got? Already we have got n by 2, 243.5. 243.5. Okay. Next, we need what? We need CF. CF is how much? CF is from this CF, cumulative frequency, we should not take 344. We should take previous one, 194. 194 is the CF. And F, what is the F value of this? 150. 150 is the F value. And what is the H value? H is the difference between this class, 40 minus 60, that is 20. The difference between that is 20. Okay. So now we have got all the values. As per the formula, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Correct? Now L is 40 plus N by 2 is 243.5 minus CF is 194 divided by F is 150. H is 20. Next, 40 plus 243.5 minus 243.5 minus 194, that is 49.5 divided by 150 into 20. So here 40 plus 49.5 divided by 150 is 0.33 into 20. Okay, into, that is 40 plus 6.6. 46.6 is the median. So here the median value is 46.6. So previously we had got mean as how much? 46.51 was the mean. Median is 46.6. Almost the similar, same, right? A small difference. Small difference. That's it. Median we calculated. Now we need to calculate mode. Mode. What is mode? Observation of highest frequency or highly repeated value is mode. Correct. So now for the same question, if we take calculate mode, they have given classes or observation, correct? Observation they have given, and also they have given the frequency, right? So observation they have given is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. Next, frequency they have given is 82, 112, 150, 95 and 48. This is the frequency. So as per the calculation solution, first we need to find highest frequency. highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency among all this frequency? 82, 112, 150, 95 and 48. 150 is the highest frequency, right? 150. That 150 is your F1. 150 is your F1. Okay. If 150 is your F1, what can be the F0? Previous one. What can be the F2? The next one. Correct. So we have got the F0, F1 and F2 as per the formula. Okay. So if we have the F1, F2 and this one F0 as per the formula, then what actually we need to do? We need to know that this is the highest frequency and this is the observations from which we need to calculate. Correct? Use the formula of mode and calculate that. Right? So what is the formula? So here we have found that this one 40 is the L. L is 40 because that is the lower limit of that class. Okay. F0 is 112. F1 is 150. F2 is 95. We got, also we have to get H. H is the difference between these two, that is 20. If we have all this, we can use the formula. What is the formula of mode? Mode, that is Z, or mode can even be denoted as M0. Okay, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. So now L is how much? L is 40. 40. Okay, done. F1 is 150. 150 minus F0 is 112. Okay. 2 F1. 2 times of F1. F1 is 150. So remember that F1 here also F1, here also F1, F0, F0. Okay. Later you just need to add F2. Whatever the values are there, upper first two values will be the same. After that F2. Okay. Here you need to add 2 times of F1. Okay. F1 later F0 is 112 and F2 is 95. Correct. And H is 20. Now we have the formula converted into numbers. 150 minus 112. How much? 150 minus 112 is 38. 2 times of 150, that is 2 into 150 is 300 minus 112 minus 92 into 20. Next, 40 plus 38 divided by 300 minus 112 minus 92, that is 96. Next, 40 plus 38 divided by 96, that is 0.39 into 20. These two first we need to multiply. 40 plus, somewhere we'll get 7.9 to 0.39 into 20 is 7.8. Okay, 7.8. So 40 plus 7.8 is 47.8. So here mode we got as 47.8. So this is the answer. What the later at the end you have to write a conclusion in the examination. Therefore, mean is, median is, mode is, like that. Mode is 47.8. How much was the median? Median was 46.6. Mean was 46.5. Okay, so mean was 46.51. Median was 46.6. Mode is 47.8. This is the answer. If you do solve like this, you will get 15 out of 15 in your examination. I hope that you have understood this. Well, this is the previous year question paper. question only. There is no need of solving it separately. I have taken the same question. I can solve it easily. करके. And in the next video, I will solve mean, median and mode for the continuous series when they have not given the classes, but they have given the question observation as more than and they have given the frequencies. Okay. Thank you very much.